Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home at 24 Higbee in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township. So this house is unfinished. It's going to be done very soon though. So here's the kitchen. Just like all of our other new houses, this house comes equipped with Whirlpool appliances. And all the appliances are warranted through the manufacturer. Behind this door is where you have your place for your washer and dryer. I also really love the wallpaper in here. We'll take a look at the first bedroom, but before that, we're going to take a look at the bathroom. You can see you've also got the really nice wallpaper again. Got a skylight above the shower. And you'll notice that this house has black appliances. So all the sinks and the door handles and the cabinet handles are all black, which I think really beautifully contrasts with the rest of the house. You can see that beautiful shower. Bedroom. But before that, we're going to see the closet here. We got that rack all the way through, and that on the wall there is the data plate, which comes with all the information about the house. Right behind this door, you have the water here. It's a 40-gallon tank. The furnace. So this is responsible for all the central air conditioning and the forced hot air. See a few things left on the ground. This is the second bedroom. And we've got the closet here. So if you're interested in seeing updates about this house, please stay watching the channel. And I also wanted to point out that you have this really great contrasting vinyl flooring throughout. Please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set on the path to potentially owning this home or any of the other homes we offer. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities. In Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment. And it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations. So come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.